Good morning, children. Welcome to our online class. This is 8th standard maths, first chapter numbers. We are going to see now exercise 1.1, third Roman letter. Find the rational numbers represented by each of the question marks marked on the following number lines. Do you know already we are learned what is the rational number? Rational numbers is the form of P by Q, that is that equal to fraction. So all the fraction be like rational numbers, and decimal numbers also we call rational numbers. Is it clear? The rational numbers form of P by Q. Okay, let us go to the sums. They are given the number line. Using to number line how to find the rational numbers. First, I am taking the question marks. Where is that? Here, the question mark is there between -3 to -4, where we are going to integers, negative integer signs number line going to -3 to -4. So, the first we write it here -3 because the whole number is -3. Then I'm going to write the denominators. How many parts are separated here? That is total number of parts 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write the 3 here. And numerator place, which part they are asking? They are asking that question mark is the second parts. So we write the second parts here. Then this is the form of mixed fraction. Then I'm going to change to improper fraction because we can change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Yes. So numerator is equal to 11 divided by the same denominator is that. So the question for this part is represent the rational number minus 11 by 3. The same like the second sum also. What is the value is there? But look at that parts, the unknown parts is nearby 0. So we cannot write the whole numbers. In this sum we not have the whole number because 0. So this is not a improper fraction. This is a proper fraction. So keep it in your mind. 0 to -1 and 0 to 1 is called the proper fraction. You know what is the meaning of proper fraction? Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. So numerator, is it clear? Denominator is greater than numerator is called the proper fractions. So where is that? How many is so no needed to write the whole number. So what is the numerator is that? First I'm going to write the denominator. How many parts are total number of parts is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write it 5 here. Then which part they are asking? Second one. You writing in the numerator place. So where is this the negative side? So put the negative here. Is it clear? This is the answer of this second one. Then go to the third one. Okay, third one listen. Third one. Okay, then listen, where is that question mark? In positive place. So positive place, where is the number line always going on? 1 2 3. The positive line going this side. So 1 2 3. Then so I'm where is in that place in question mark 1 to 2. So first nearby 1. Writing a whole number 1. Or denominator place how many parts? Total number of parts here 1 2 3 4. So you write down 4. Then numerator, which part they are asking? 1 2 third. Third place they are asking the value. So put the third here. So what is the value here? 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 7 by 4. So that question mark place, what is the rational number? 7 by 4. Is it clear, children? Very easy that sum. Next sum, the next we're going to fourth one. The point S, Y, N, C, R, A, I and O on the number line are such Cn equal to Ny and equal to Ys. That means where is the Cn, Ny and Ys in this place? So all the between the two parts, each parts are have same distance and same measurement. Is it represent C1 equal to Ny equal to Ys is represent the between of the parts is distance equal to same. So same like that RA, AT and TI equal to Iy. Then find the rational number represented by the letters Y, N, A, T and I. Okay, listen, let us see what is the Y value here. So taking the Y here, you know how to write. Already we have seen in the previous sums. Where is the negative sides going on? -1 to 2. So I am going to write the -1. The denominator, how many parts are here? 1, 2, 3. So which part they are asking? Second part. Why is that? Why it has second part? So what is the answer here? 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 3 plus 2 5. So I have the answer 5 by 3. So what is the value of y? 5 by 3. Then go to the find the what is the value y n. N is which place? Same thing we will write here. Whole number is equal to -1 and denominator is total parts equal to 3. Then n place which one? Near of this -1. That is first place as a n. So write it 1. So what is the answer here? 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 by 3. It has in negative place. So minus. Is it clear? Then what is the next answer? We will going to find A value. A where is that? In that positive place. A is here that. So A is equal to A, 1 minute, sorry. A is equal to, then where is here? A is equal to is there. Okay, negative place. Which one is 2 to 3? Where is that 2 to 3? So whole number is equal to 2. How many parts are here separated? 1, 2, 3, 4. The total parts is 4. So we can write it in the denominator place. Numerator is equal to A is where is that? First place it has. So is equal to 1. Then answer equal to 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. Is it clear? 9 by 4. Then we are going to find t value. T is equal to where is the t here? Same thing. It has in the 2 to 3 place. So no, don't change anything. What is the thing? Whole number we cannot change, and then denominator also we cannot change. We can change only numerators because according for that letters they are changing. T is which place? 2 second place. So you can write the 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 by 4. Okay, 10 by 4. Then last final and I. I is equal to same thing. We cannot change anything to numerator and whole number as it is. You should write, and then and the numerator only change. I is which place? Third place. So you write the third one. So where is it? What is the rational number of I? 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. Continuously, yes, see, continuously number is came. 9, 10, 11. Is it clear, children? How did you find that sum? Thank you.